How can you improve the productivity of injection molding? Injection molding is a popular manufacturing method used to produce a wide range of plastic parts and products. It involves injecting molten plastic into a carefully designed mold, where it cools and solidifies into the desired shape. While injection molding can be a fast and efficient way to produce large volumes of parts, there are several ways to improve the productivity of the process. Optimize the design of the production. Of the most effective ways to improve the productivity of injection molding is to optimize the product's design. This can involve reducing the number of parts in the product, using a simpler geometry, and reducing the amount of material needed. For example, if you are producing a plastic product that currently has multiple parts, you could consider redesigning it as a single part, which would reduce the number of molds and injection molding operation cycles required. Optimize the mold and the injection molding process. Mold and the injection molding process can also be optimized to improve productivity. This can involve optimizing the design of the mold, such as using a more efficient cooling system or improving the flow of the melted plastic through the injection mold. It can also involve optimizing the injection molding process, such as adjusting the mold closing injection speed, pressure, and temperature to minimize defects and improve production speed. Use the correct injection molding machine and process settings. Selecting the correct injection molding machine. Producing and process settings is essential for optimal productivity. Factors to consider include the size and complexity of the parts produced, the material used, and the desired cycle time. In addition, using the correct injection pressure, sprue speed, and temperature setting can help improve the quality and efficiency of the process. Implement process automation and control. Automating certain aspects of the injection molding process can help improve productivity by reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing variability in the process. This can include automating the loading and unloading of the mold, as well as controlling the injection molding process parameters in real time using process control systems. Invest in high-quality equipment and materials. Using high-quality equipment and materials can also improve the productivity of injection molding business. For example, using a high-quality injection molding machine producing can help reduce downtime and improve the speed and quality of the production process. Similarly, using high-quality raw materials can help reduce defects and improve the overall quality of the finished product. Properly maintain and calibrate equipment. Proper maintenance and calibration of the injection molding machines and other equipment are crucial for maintaining optimal productivity. This includes regularly cleaning and lubricating the particular machine combination, as well as performing preventative maintenance and repairs as needed. It is also important to regularly calibrate the equipment to ensure that it is operating within the proper parameters. Implement lean manufacturing principles. Lean manufacturing principles focus on maximizing value and minimizing waste in the above lean manufacturing example process. By implementing lean principles in the injection molding process, it is possible to improve productivity by streamlining the process, reducing waste, and identifying and eliminating inefficiencies. Train and motivate employees. Finally, investing in the training and motivation of your employees can also improve the productivity of injection molding process. By providing your employees with the skills and knowledge they need to perform their jobs effectively, you can help them work more efficiently and produce higher quality products. Additionally, by creating a positive and supportive work environment, you can help motivate your employees and improve their overall productivity. Conclusion: Be implementing these strategies. It is possible to significantly improve the productivity of the injection molding process. This can help reduce costs, improve efficiency, and increase competitiveness in the market.